Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove extensions from your Google Chrome. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. Extensions can be added really easily to Google Chrome, and sometimes you add extensions you may not want to have anymore. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you step by step how to remove them. So to actually get to our extensions in Google Chrome, what we need to do is first, of course, open Google Chrome. We're going to be clicking on our three dots on the top right, and then we're going to be going to the settings tab. From here, once we open up the settings menu, we're going to be coming to our burger menu on the top left, and then we're going to be clicking on the extensions right here. Now this is going to open up a list of all currently installed extensions in our Google Chrome, and we can easily check on or off any extensions we want to enable or disable. We can check the details of any extension if we want, and if we want to fully remove extensions, what we can do is click on the remove panel right here. A little pop-up will come up, then you can simply click remove one more time and the extension will be removed from your Google Chrome. Now this is really easy to manage, and of course, like I said, you can just turn off your extensions if you only want to turn it off for a certain amount of time, and of course you can always reinstall the extensions at a later date. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.